Hello friends and supporters of Bosque del Apache. In this short video, we'll walk you through the very simple process of initiating a fundraiser on your personal Facebook page. We'll look at setting up a fundraiser using a mobile device like a cell phone or a tablet first. If you're using a desktop computer, stay tuned and we'll discuss that next. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device and click on the menu button, which looks like 3 vertically stacked lines in the top or bottom corner of the screen. Once inside the menu, search for and click on Fundraisers. If you don't see it listed among the options, then first click on See More to expand the menu options. Now that you've found the fundraiser option, click on Create Fundraiser and then Nonprofits. Type Friends of Bosque del Apache into the search bar and select it from the list of available nonprofit organizations. Once you've selected Friends of Bosque del Apache, you will be taken to a screen where you can manipulate your preferences for things like your fundraiser's target amount, end date, picture, and story. Feel free to use what is provided or personalize and make it your own. Once you've finished with all the finer details, now you can click on Create. Now we'll take a quick look at setting up a fundraiser on your Facebook page while using a desktop computer. It's the same process, but it looks just a little different in places. From the Facebook homepage, click on Fundraisers on the menu located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Select Nonprofit. Type Friends of Bosque del Apache into the search bar, and then select it. Now you can set the fundraiser target goal and ending date, edit the story that will publish along with your fundraiser, and choose a stunning photo to go along with it. When you're happy with all that, click on Create. This is what your fundraiser will look like, and now you can share it with your family and friends or invite them to donate. Thank you for encouraging your contacts to support Friends of Bosque del Apache. Your contributions are more important now than ever and allow friends to assist refuge staff in their year-round management of this special refuge. We are grateful for your support of our work and all that it makes possible. Thank you for supporting what you love.